Hi, Kevin Murphy here. I'm here with Kate Reid, Colour Me Design Director, and we're here to talk to you today about Colour Me's Ultimate Lightener.
I'm going to show you how to use this product for controlled lightening with quick development time and leave the integrity of the hair in beautiful condition. This is why I love the way this product works, as it offers maximum lightening with a clean and extremely even result. Nikki is a starting depth of a 5, and today I'm going to lighten her new growth plus clean up and refresh her ends utilizing clear and cream activated 10 volume 3% to brighten them up while keeping the integrity of the hair. To get started, I'm going to mix my Ultimate Lightener with my cream activated 10 volume, our 3%, which I'll whisk to a smooth consistency. Now I'm going to start my application in a really simple sectioning pattern.
The Ultimate Lightener has been formulated with high-performance naturally derived ingredients such as hydrolyzed rice proteins, sugar and black cumin seeds. Ultimate Lightener offers up to 9 levels of lift with built-in bond protection, so it's perfect for those darker shades or for those people who want to go lighter.
I've finished my foils and I've painted in between my foils with clear to lighten and brighten the ends without compromising the integrity of the hair.
So Kate, I've been working with you a lot on various collections, and you seem to be pulling out a lot of these soft shimmery blondes, and I think that they really represent a lot of the editorial blondes that we've been dreaming about.
Yeah, absolutely. Ultimate Lightener has a development time of up to 90 minutes, depending on how many levels of lightening, the amount of build-up of colour in the hair, plus what you'd like to achieve. Today I'm going to finish the hair using our Colour Me finishing regimen, which includes Restore and Staying Alive.
So here are the final results for Nikki, a beautiful clean blonde with a luminous shine.